According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, otherwise known as CDC, in 2022, more than 109,000 Californians lost their lives due to overdose. Locally, that equates to the amount of people who can fit up to the local Sacramento Kings Arena 6 times over. Overdose is the leading cause of death for non-elderly people in California. Let me say that again. Overdose is the leading cause of death for non-elderly people in California. And sadly, these numbers are only expected to increase. Let's talk a little bit about the challenge and how we got here. Historically, the federal and state government have responded to drug use with incarceration and extreme policing of Black communities. Under the banner of a war on drugs in the 80s and 90s, the federal government criminalized drug use and drug possession through a series of punitive laws. For over 50 years, we have all suffered the consequences of mass incarceration. People of color and those from low-income communities were disproportionately harmed. And people who use drugs have been deeply stigmatized and underserved through it all. However, we know that people who use drugs are deserving. They're not strangers, right? They are our neighbors, they're our family members, and our beloved friends. Fortunately, the good news is that the tide is turning. Community advocates, and you'll hear from 3 of them today, and families have led the way in showing the government that we can prioritize care over criminalization. At the Center of Sierra Health Foundation, we believe in centering the voices, humanity, and needs of people